2023. Quite fast track. Third gear down to second. Try to be more on the inside this time. All second gear here. Second gear. Inside line. Early on the throttle. Now third. To the slalom part. Don't crash this time. Outside, because then comes the straight. Early on the throttle. Third gear. So, slalom part. And again, second gear. To the hairpin. Early on the throttle. Now, little oversteer. Back to the second, not good. And this was the first time run.